Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to do discussion questions. I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to discuss them if you have a partner at home, or you can be my virtual partner. And you're going to use vocabulary words for our first grade journeys lesson 4. And our anchor text is Lucia's neighborhood. So I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to use the vocabulary words from Lucia's neighborhood and show that you understand what those words mean and how to use them. So let's review our vocabulary words. Neighborhood, the people who live in an area and the places around them. Neighborhood. Number 2, street, a road in a city or town. Street. Number 3, car, a machine with 4 wheels and an engine. People travel in cars. Number 4, plant, a living thing such as a flower, tree, or bush. Plant. Number 5, pants, trousers, slacks, or jeans. 6, goal. In soccer, you score a goal when you kick a ball into the net. Goal. Number 7, firefighter. Firefighter is a person who works and fights to put out fires. 8, librarian. A worker in a library, which is a place where you can borrow books. Librarian. Number 9, bakery. A store where you can buy things like bread, cookies, and pastries. And bread, cookies, and pastries are all baked at a bakery and in a stove. Pet shop. Number 10, a store where you go to buy supplies for your pets. Pet shop. Number 11, garage, a place where you can take your car to get it fixed. Garage. Number 12, home, the place where people live. Home. So here's our learning targets. I can make real life connections between words and what they mean. That means I want you to be able to take the vocabulary words and connect them to your own life and show that you know what they mean. So the second learning target, I can use new words in a conversation to show that I know what they mean. So you're going to use these words when you answer the questions, and that will show that you know what the words mean. Success criteria, that means how will you know you're successful at reaching these learning targets? Well, here's our steps for success. Just like these people are climbing the mountain, our goal is to get to the top and reach our learning targets. I will, number 1, we're going to read each vocabulary word looking at the pictures. We've actually done that already. Number 2, we're going to listen to each question that uses one of the vocabulary words. So listen closely. And 3, take turns answering each question with my partner using the vocabulary word in your answer. So I want you to use the vocabulary word in your answer. And if you have a partner, you take turns. So number 1, actually it says number 2. What street is your home on? Or what can you see on your street? So do you know the name that your home is on, the name of the street that your home is on? Or if you don't know that, what can you see on your street? So you can say, I live on, and then tell me the name of your street. But if you don't remember that, you can say, I see on my street. Well, I know that I live on 98th Avenue Court East. That's the street that I live on. And some things I can see on my street are the houses nearby me. I can see parked cars. I can see trees. I can see a street. I can see sidewalks. I can see a lot of things on my street. Number three, how do you score a goal in soccer? So look closely at the picture because the soccer player scores a goal in this picture. How do you score a goal in soccer? Remember, Lucia played soccer. How would Lucia score a goal? So you need to blank to score a goal. You need to score a goal. Well, just like the video showing us, you need to kick the ball into the net to score a goal, and the keeper or the goalie has to miss catching it. If the keeper or goalie catches it, then you don't score a goal. Number four, what is your favorite kind of plant? Remember, Lucia went to a plant shop and got a plant. What is your favorite kind of plant? So if you don't know the actual name of it, you can describe it. I have some examples here. So my favorite kind of plant is, or my favorite kind of plant has. Well, my favorite kind of plant is the sunflower, and there's a picture of a sunflower right here, and it has yellow petals, and it's very tall, and it has a big circle in the middle with a lot of sunflower seeds that are dark, and they eventually get kind of black. So, five, do you like to wear pants or shorts, and why? Do you like to wear pants or shorts, and why? So say I like to wear pants because, or I like to wear shorts because, and tell me why. Well, I like to wear, depending on what the weather is like outside, but since it's usually rainy where I live or cold, I like to wear pants because they keep me warmer than shorts. But if it's really hot outside, I like to wear shorts because it keeps me cooler. Number six, what does a firefighter's car look like? And you can see some examples down below, so you're going to describe it. Tell me more about a firefighter's car. What does it look like? A firefighter's car is, so tell me some things that you notice about a firefighter's car or truck. A firefighter's car is, well, a firefighter's car is usually red. And if it's the truck, it's really big and it has lots of lights that flash. Now, if it's just the car that goes after the firefighter's truck, then it's smaller, but it's still big and in red. And yeah. So, number seven, name some places in our neighborhood. So, here's some places: school, restaurant, garage, police station, fire station, post office. Those are all pictures of those. So, name some places in our neighborhood. So, some places in our neighborhood are, well, some places in our neighborhood are restaurants, schools, the police station, the fire station, the post office. Also, there's different types of stores like grocery stores or like a big chain store like Target or Walmart. Those are all different places in our neighborhood. So let's reflect on our learning. What was our learning target? I can use new words I've learned with a partner to show that I know what they mean. So how do you think you did? Do you think you got a 4? I could teach this lesson. I was able to use all the vocabulary words and talk about it. Or 3, I was able to use the vocabulary words and talk with my partner or answer most of the questions most of the time. Or 2, I was able to use the vocabulary words and talk with my partner or talk about some of the questions some of the time. Or 1, I was not able to use the vocabulary words and talk with my partner. How do you think you did? Now we are finished. Thank you, boys and girls, for discussing the vocabulary words with me. I hope you had a good time. Have a great day.